Unified Payments Interface or UPI is a real-time digital payment system that enables instant money transfer between bank accounts using a mobile platform developed by the National Payments Corporation of India (NPCI) and launched in 2016. UPI simplifies payment by using a virtual payment address (VPA), making transactions secure and accessible 24/7. Since its inception, UPI has transformed India's payment landscape, driving financial inclusion and creating a cashless economy. It enables a range of features including instant transfers, QR code payments, and recurring transactions, making it a preferred choice for millions of users. UPI is also accepted for international merchant payments in 7 countries including UAE, France, Singapore, etc. What is UPI? Unified Payment Interface or UPI is a real-time payment system developed by the National Payments Corporation of India that enables instant money transfers between two bank accounts using a mobile platform. Launched in 2016, UPI revolutionized the digital payment landscape by allowing users to transfer funds instantly 24/7 through mobile apps using just a virtual payment address, which negates the need to share sensitive bank details. UPI features. UPI offers a wide range of features that make it one of the most popular and user-friendly digital payment platform in India. Its ability to handle real-time transactions, integrate multiple bank accounts, and offer versatile payment methods has revolutionized the way people conduct financial transactions. Below are some key features of UPI. Instant transfers. User can transfer money to any bank account 24/7, ensuring seamless and fast payment at any time. Single app. Users can access multiple bank accounts through a single app, eliminating the need for multiple banking applications. Multiple payment methods. UPI allows users to send money using a mobile number, virtual address, or account number, providing flexible options for transferring funds. QR codes. User can make payments by scanning QR codes, offering a quick and secure way to pay for goods and services. Recurring payments. UPI enables users to set up auto pay for recurring payments like utility bills and subscriptions, streamlining regular transactions. Peer-to-peer requests. UPI allows users to schedule and pay collect requests from others, enabling hassle-free person-to-person payments. Security. UPI transactions are secured through the two-factor authentication, ensuring secure transfers. UPI recent development. UPI has been significant enhancement and new features since its inception, expanding its capability and making transactions even more convenient for users. The introduction of UPI 2.0 voice-based payment and the upcoming UPI vouchers are notable developments that have broadened the platform's appeal and functionality. Conversational voice payments. At the Global FinTech Fest 2024, NPCI unveiled conversational voice payments for UPI. This feature allows customers to complete transactions by using their voice. UPI 2.0. Launched on 16 August 2018, UPI 2.0 enables users to link their overdraft account to UPI handle. It also introduced the ability to pre-authorize a transaction by issuing a mandate to specific merchants, view and store invoices for each transaction, and use an auto pay facility for recurring payments. UPI Lite. UPI Lite was introduced to facilitate offline transactions. It allows users to scan QR codes and process debit transactions even without an internet connection. Recently, the RBI has approved an increase in the transaction limit in UPI Lite to 1,000 per transaction with a total limit of 5,000. UPI vouchers. These features allow users to transfer prepaid vouchers linked to the recipient's smartphone number. UPI 123 Pay. In 2021, as part of financial inclusion initiative, NPCI and fintech startup NAFA Innovation launched UPI 123 Pay. This voice-based payment service enables features phone users in low connectivity areas to make UPI transactions using voice commands. Increase in UPI payment limit. On 8 December 2023, the RBI raised the UPI payment limit for transactions related to tax payments, hospitals, and educational institutions from Rs 1 lakh to Rs 5 lakh. UPI international adoption. The international expansion of UPI has been a strategic priority for the Reserve Bank of India (RBI), as outlined in the Payments Vision 2025 document. The Ministry of External Affairs is actively promoting UPI's global reach, driven by geopolitical factors. UPI accepted countries other than India. International merchant payments are accepted under UPI in 7 countries including UAE, France, Singapore, Bhutan, Mauritius, Nepal, and Sri Lanka. NRIs, non-resident Indians, NRIs in countries like Australia, Canada, France, Hong Kong, Malaysia, Oman, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Singapore, UAE, UK, and USA can use UPI to make INR transaction in India through their registered overseas mobile numbers. Foreign tourists visiting India can use UPI through the UPI One World service, which requires full KYC verification with their passport and valid visa. UPI significance. UPI has become a cornerstone of India's digital economy, significantly influencing financial inclusion, ease of business, and innovation in payment systems. Its widespread adoption has not only simplified transactions for individuals and businesses but has also propelled India towards a more cashless and efficient economy. Boost to digital payments. As of financial year 23-24, digital payment transaction volumes grew to Rupee 18,737 crore, a remarkable increase from Rupee 2,071 crore in financial year 17-18. This surge highlights the widespread adoption and trust in UPI, which has become a cornerstone of India's digital payment infrastructure. Financial inclusion. UPI has played a pivotal role in promoting financial inclusion, particularly in rural and underserved areas, by making banking service accessible to a larger segment of the population. Ease of doing business. UPI simplifies transactions for business of all sizes, especially small vendors and street merchants, by allowing them to accept digital payments without requiring expensive hardware, encouraging innovations. The UPI framework has spurred numerous fintech innovations, leading to development of diverse payment solutions and driving competition in the digital payment industry. UPI challenges. While UPI has revolutionized digital payments in India, it faces several challenges that need to be addressed to ensure its continued success and scalability. These challenges range from cybersecurity concerns to infrastructure limitations, which could hinder its growth if not managed effectively. Cybersecurity concerns. As UPI transaction increases, so does the risk of fraud and cyber attacks. Ensuring robust security measures to protect user data and prevent fraudulent activities is crucial. A scalability issue. With the growing number of users and transactions, UPI must ensure its infrastructure can handle large volumes of payments without experiencing delays of downtime. Merchant adoption abroad. While UPI is gaining international recognition, the widespread acceptance of UPI by merchants outside of India remains a challenge, with many countries still relying on their local payment systems. Dependence on internet connectivity. Although UPI Lite has been introduced to facilitate offline transactions, the core UPI system still requires a stable internet connection, which may not always be available in rural or remote areas.